Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, and it's time to make some soap. I'm here at the church doing the larger batch today. I am going to be trying a new fragrance called Juicy Apricot from Nurture Soap. Notably, I have not used this before. Usually when I test this fragrance, I usually do it in a small batch. I'm not going to this time, but there were an awful lot of good reviews on this. Nobody said it accelerated. Nobody said it didn't hold its scent, so I feel pretty confident. Nurture Soap says it darkens just a little bit, so I'm going to use some pretty bold colors. I'm going to have a good bit of titanium dioxide. I am going to use green, but this is chrome green oxide from Crafter's Choice for a green. And then I'm going to use Nurture Soap's Orange Vibrance, which I will also mix with Atomic Orange, also from Crafter's Choice. So I'm going to have some pretty bold colors that will hopefully hide that darkening if it happens. I've done a steeper than usual water discount. I'm going to be doing quite a good bit of titanium dioxide, so I'm taking a bit of a risk because these all have to be stick blended in pretty well and with a new fragrance, but we'll see. In the end, as long as I can get into the mold, it's soap, but I feel pretty confident, so give me a minute to get set up and I will be back. We'll get started. Okay, I think we're ready. First will be the orange. I'm going to do this a little bit differently from what I normally do. I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Since this is a mica, I am going to go ahead and hand stir it in. But orange mica is not real stable in CP soap, or at least this isn't. That's why I'm going to put that neon in, that atomic from Crafter's Choice, and that will have to be stick blended. So this batter has not been stick blended at all. It has only been hand stirred. So let me get the micas in, the powders in, and then we'll give them a stick blend. And I'm going to stick blend the white last, since titanium dioxide has a tendency to thicken. So I've got that in there. I'll stick blend it in just a minute. Let's get our chrome green into the middle container. Probably a tablespoon and a half for this amount. Now let's go ahead and stick blend these. I'm going to put just a little splash of the Atomic Orange in this to lighten it up. And this looks a little dark right now because I have not stick blended it. Once again, this has only been hand stirred. And when you stick blend your batter, you know it lightens up. So let's start with the titanium dioxide. Give it a blend, a good blend. Then let's go to our orange. And our green, which sank to the bottom. I wasn't expecting it to do that. Alright, now let's see how our fragrance does. And I know that I can use this entire bottle. I'll actually be a little bit under the maximum skin safe, so I'm pouring straight from the bottle because I can use this entire bottle. Let me start in this and hand stir it and see how it does. Oh, it really smells fantastic. And it seems to be doing okay, so let's get a third into there. mixed into our white. I can probably hit this very quickly, although this is going to be a slow pour because I have a lot. I think that's about the consistency I like, so I am not going to stick blend this at all. It's been stick blended all it's going to get. So it's time to pour. And I'm just going to drop swirl these in. Oh yeah, nice and fluid. It's just a little green. Just bring that back together. And then also thinned it out just a little bit. And I'm going to smack this down on the floor just to make sure that it's all the bubbles are in. It's nice and smooth. But it behaved beautifully, like everybody said it does, so I'm really happy with that. So let's just get some of this on the top, and we can make a design on our top, and that'll be it. Look how fluid that still is, even the 2D. I didn't have a stick. Here's a dull pencil. And there we go. Let's give that some rubbing alcohol so we don't get soda ash on that bright, colorful top. And I'll let that sit for 5 minutes and squirt it again, and I will wrap it up. Put it on a heating pad so it'll go through gel, and we'll see tomorrow. But so far, I'm loving it. It behaves beautifully and it smells fantastic. So I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Bye, everybody. Okay, I'm back, and it's time to cut our soap, and our colors are really vibrant. There appears to be no darkening at all in the white. I don't think there's going to be. I think the darkening that does happen is minimal and can be hidden with like micas, like bold colors, or a lot of TD, so I don't think that's going to be an issue. So if this one holds its scent, it's definitely a winner. And I did not see any reviews that it didn't hold its scent. So I really do believe it's going to hold its scent, that is. Now I can see here my TD didn't disperse very well. Normally I don't have a problem just putting it straight in, and I did not mix it quite well enough this time. Not really a big deal, just got a few white chunks in it. But let's cut these into bars. See what we have. So Granny is ready to work. Yeah, I definitely did not mix it well enough. Blink. Oh yeah, look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so let's set these aside and get some from another log and see what they look like. This is the other end. I'll take that back. This is the other end. Yeah, these are beautiful. Love these colors. And if this fragrance holds up like I really think it's going to, this will be a winner. Okay, so let's get the third log and see what we look like. I think I'm going to leave this one on its side. Very nice. So I will line these up and get a picture uploaded. So far, I am really happy with this soap, and I'm really happy with this fragrance. Juicy Apricot from Nurture Soap. And that's what I have for this week, and as always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed, and I'll see you next week. Bye, everybody.